All right, guys, let's go into how to make these orange chicken wings with the bone in. So, this meal is brought to you by Aldi's. This is an Aldi Finds meal. So, if you want to replicate this recipe, you can purchase all of these items at Aldi, except for the rice. But you can use your own rice, whatever choice you want to make. So, I like to make sure that all of my chicken has room enough to get crispy. You can use as much seasoning that you want to or not. But I like my chicken to be heavily seasoned on one side because I'm not seasoning the other. So it has to have flavor on both. And I already know y'all in the comments, oh my God, there's so much seasoning. It's not, because it's not just for a one person meal. This is a meal prep for a large family. We are a family of 6. So this entire recipe is to fit for a large family. You modify it for you. But this is what we're cooking. Now, when I recorded this, I didn't realize I had a funny filter on. So it made all of my veggies gray that were green. So y'all enjoyed this little funkadelic color. Yeah, we used some chicken broth. I did not measure this. I just kind of eyeballed it, and I wanted to make sure that all the chicken was at least kind of floating in there. I did cover it initially. Now, I baked it at 400 degrees for 1 hour. Once that hour hit, I took it out of the oven, took the lid off. And this orange stir-fry sauce for the orange chicken, oh my God. When I tell you it smells good, it tastes good, it is good. But you want to put a little bit of hot water in the bottle once you empty it and shake it up to make sure that you fully have all your sauce and that the chicken won't stick. So we're going to put it back in for another hour with no lid. This rice, though, this is the rice that I was telling you about. That one is at a local retailer here in St. Louis. We call Snooks. But you probably can find it, or you can use regular white rice. The Asian stir fry is an Aldi find. The sauce that came with the Asian stir fry vegetables, I did not use. No. All I did was season it kind of with the same trio that we did with the meat. You can do seasoning to your liking. Okay, let's make sure we get that out there, to your liking. Don't be in the comments talking all that smack, because it's still delicious. Okay, thank you. Anyway, I did put a little bit of olive oil on it because they were frozen, just to make sure that the seasoning is binded to the vegetables. And I used a little bit of chicken stock. Put it on a medium low heat for a gas stove. If you have an electric, I would say put it like on a 3 or a 4 with the lid closed, because you don't want it to cook too fast. But now it's time to plate. I just love plating. Now, I released a plating video on my profile, Dominiquenash, yesterday, just to give you guys a sneak peek of what this full video would be. Now, when I tell you this is a recipe that you don't want to miss, you need to try this out and see for yourself how flavorful you can bring an Asian based dish into your home without it being like a frozen meal. We do orange chicken all the time, and it's always pre-frozen breaded chicken, but I wanted to try to mimic that flavor on chicken wings. And when I tell you, this dish was amazing. This is hubby plate, by the way, because the hubby got to get 3 pieces because it's extra special. Okay, now I am gonna take a bite of mine, but not on camera. Y'all don't get to see that. But I'm just saying, you have to try this recipe. It is finger looking good and banging. Leave us a comment and let us know what you think about this recipe and if you're willing to try it. Like I said, most of all of the ingredients were purchased at Aldi. And there you are. Voila. Thanks again for watching, guys.